Diyan, ma.
When the snow is falling, she'll be laughing all around, like to turn it on, like a fairy tale come you're the answer when I pray. Baby,
Wala mo si Sir.
all I want is to hold and hold it. And all I need is to hold it. You saved my heart from being broken apart. You gave your love away.
Yakapon namin yung sabi mo. Wait lang. Asan si Mr. Man?
Watching as you fall asleep, when I give you by the key,
Kaya po kayo kung kanino pagaling?
you say
Hello world and hello Philippines! Hehe, sabi niya. Gusto ko lang pong magbigay ng konting mensahe sa aking pinakamamahal na kapatid, Sister Jocelyn Del Rosario, at sa aking pinakapaboritong bayaw, Mr. Edgar Del Rosario. Binabati ko kayo ng napakagandang umaga, ng mas maganda pa sa umaga, at magandang buhay sa inyong dalawa. Happy house blessing po sa bago niyang tahanan. All the best, Sister and Manong Edgar. I'm so happy for the both of you. And looking forward na makita ang bago niyang house soon pag wala ng COVID. Hehe. Sabi niya, Sister Sally. Wow! Sally ko! Kilala niya kasi ng badana. Happy po kayo, ha?
Oo naman. Ngayon po, ma'am, kailangan po namin marinig ang mensahe mo para sa sister mo din po.
Sister, thank you. Peace.
Thank you, Sally. Thank you.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever.